buddy. Got another TEMU haul. Gotta stay off that site. But they do have, like, cool stuff and pretty reasonably priced. So, and you can get anything. Anything and everything. It's crazy. Okay. So I got this. It is a like a pocket, envelope pocket with all these goodies. Can't see it that way. So that'll be kind of fun. It's got a whole set of numbers. A couple sets. See, 1, 2, 3, 6s. 4. Anyways, there's that. And then I got, ooh, I gotta hide it. You can't see and you'll be excited. These little stickers. Got all little sunflowers. Come on. Tons of them. How many are there? 50. 30, I mean. What? The body does not move. The heart is far away. Okie doke. Whatever that means. Who's gonna read it though, right? It's too small. So there's that. See that pretty though. Then, I get this in there. Sorry my voice is weak. I'm weak. I still have breathing issues from my pneumonia, and they don't know if it's from the steroid I'm on or what. These I thought would be good for the air fryer. They show them like they're, you know, little bowls kind of thing. But I think that'll be okay. Let's see. Scrubby loves his air fryer. Got some of these. There are cute Christmas paper. That's cute. Cupid doll. Cupid doll. Oh, holy night and silent night. Peace, love, joy. This is nice. It's really kind of old Victorian. That's pretty. Oops. Sorry about that. I know I'm bad. A bad camera. Cute hot chocolate. And bells. And then those two. Very pretty. Then I thought this was really nice.